Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you on how you can publish your mobile apps, web app. So first, you go to your dashboard and go to your app. Apps dashboard. So next, the next thing we need to do is click ready to publish. If Now after that, we need to click publish. As you can see, it will ask for a domain name. Mostly, we use a domain name with a subdomain in it. For example, my my blog is actually to cebu.com. However, since we are using a mobile site, we can use a subdomain to name it. Just like for Facebook, they have a subdomain m.facebook.com. So, for example, I'm going to use mobile.tucebu.com, but of course, you're free to use whatever you want. So, the next thing we need to do is click next. As you can see, it gives you an IP, DNS. So the next thing we need to do is copy that and go to our hosting site. Our hosting site is actually HostGator, but it will work on other hosting sites. So let's start. So for HostGator, I need you to go to Simple DNS Zone Editor. So click that. Next is we add an A record, okay? We add an A record since we used a subdomain. I would also recommend using a subdomain since sometimes when we use a full domain, it can clash with other websites. So it's safer to use a subdomain since it's already owned by you. So let's start. So first we add a name. Since we named it mobile.tucebu.com, so we must name this mobile. So you can see if you click the address, it automatically does that. Next is the address. This is the part where you paste the IP address, DNS IP. So we click copy that, make sure it's all tick green, and add a record. When we add a record, as you can see it's already added. Next thing we need to do is go to apps, log in, and click deploy. Wait for it to load. It takes about 2. Okay, now that that's done, you can click done. Now you can actually close that. So the next part is actually waiting for the site to publish it. It takes about 2 hours or more. So maybe I have practiced this and it took about 2 hours for this record to be published. So when we check that URL, so you can see it is already published. Again, it takes about a couple of hours for it to be published. So that's all. And this is Lester from SqueezeMobi, and I hope this helped. Thank you.